Jellytoon TV.
A, B, C, come sing with me. Colors and questions, let's go and see. From apples to zebras, from red to blue, let's learn together, me and you.
Hello, friends. Are you ready to go on an alphabet adventure? Today we're starting with the letter A. Can you say A?
Yay!
Awesome! Now let's see. What starts with A? Do you know a fruit that starts with A and is red or green?
I've got a clue. It's crunchy and keeps the doctor away.
It's an apple. Apples can be red, green, or even yellow. What color apple do you like? Also, can you think of a name that starts with A? Like Angel or Aria. Maybe your name starts with A. What's next? B is for ball. What color can a ball be?
Balls can be blue, red, yellow, or rainbow too.
Let's imagine a blue ball bouncing. Now, do you know a name that starts with B? Bella, Ben, or maybe Bybeck. Can you say your name? Does it start with A or B? Here comes the C. C is for cat. What sound does a cat make? Meow. Cats can be white, orange, black, or even gray. Do you know any names that start with C, like Kathy, Carlos, or Canny? Let's see what you remember. What fruit starts with A and can be red or green? Yes, apple. What animal starts with C and says meow? That's right, cat. Can you name a color that starts with B? Maybe blue. Today, we learned about letters A, B, and C. We found apple, ball, and cat, and learned colors like red, blue, and black.
And we met names like Aisha, Ben, and Carlos.
And remember, colors make everything more fun to learn.
A is for apple, B is for ball, C